Are you tired of ugly, dry, and cracked heels? Discover Scholl's Heel Repair Cream, a proven solution to restore your feet's natural softness. Enriched with 25% urea and active K+ keratin, it deeply nourishes and repairs rough, chapped skin from the very first day. This fast-absorbing, fragrance-free cream reduces pain and discomfort, leaving your heels silky smooth in just 7 days. Take the first step to healthier feet today. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Discover the Carnation Corn Caps, your go-to solution for effective corn removal. These all-in-one treatment caps combine medicated paste with a soft felt ring, safely breaking down hard corns while providing targeted relief and protection. They help cushion your foot to reduce pressure and pain, making walking or standing more comfortable. With an easy one-step application and a pack of 10, you'll have plenty of treatment options for ongoing foot comfort. Find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Discover the Footmender Heel Repair, your all-in-one solution for dry feet, calluses, corns, and cracked heels. This innovative treatment makes caring for your feet simpler and more affordable. Just one daily application is enough. See noticeable improvements in just few days, often after the very first use. Footmender gently removes dead skin, promotes healing, strengthens the skin's barrier, and provides antimicrobial protection for at least 12 hours. Suitable for all ages. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Looking for a powerful solution to dry, cracked heels? Introducing CCS Heel Repair, a specially formulated treatment that delivers visible results in just 3 days. With 25% urea and lactic acid, it exfoliates, softens, hydrates, and strengthens your skin barrier. Clinically tested and suitable for diabetics, it's fast-acting and perfect for day and night use. Since 1979, Swedish skincare has been committed to quality and effectiveness. You'll find the purchase link, description, and in the pinned comment. Looking for a solution to tough, dry, and calloused feet? Discover Flexitol Fissure Balm, a clinically proven treatment that softens hard skin in just 3 days. With 22% urea and powerful alpha-hydroxy acids, it gently exfoliates and moisturizes, leaving your feet smoother and more comfortable. Over 96% of users reported softer feet after using this balm. Nourished with 8% glycerin and 15% emollients, it fights dryness and supports healthy skin. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Discover the Salvequick Foot Rescue, your ultimate solution for very dry and cracked feet. This intensive moisture treatment delivers long-lasting hydration, softens calloused and brittle areas, and visibly smooths rough skin. It also helps reduce calluses by supporting your skin's natural renewal process. Plus, its antimicrobial formula fights foot odor and supports the care of stressed skin, including foot fungus. Treat your feet with care and comfort today. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Looking for a foot care solution that delivers real results? Flexitol Crack Heel Balm is medically proven to show visible improvements in just 1 day, leaving your heels smooth and soft. Filled with 25% urea moisturizing complex, provitamin B, and shea butter, it deeply nourishes and hydrates dry, cracked skin. With 24 hours of moisture and recommended by doctors, this UK-made balm is perfect for everyone, including diabetics. You'll find the purchase link in the description and pinned comment.